Visiting Niagara Falls in Canada is a journey that many Americans and Canadians alike make the pilgrimage to, at least once in their lives. The view is just spectacular, whether you're on the viewing deck above or riding the Maid in the mist below. There is just no sight that can compare to Niagara Falls. Watching the rushing waters hit the base and listening to the sound of the water hitting the bottom is awe-inspiring. Could you imagine how much freshwater there is in Niagara Falls? It holds 1/5 of the world's freshwater. This visit, we weren't looking to go down the basin, so I set up my camera in the viewing area. And wouldn't you know, a rainbow appeared at that same time. I couldn't let this moment pass, so I took a shot, and this is what the result was. Rainbows appearing above the waterfalls is something that you should be watching for. It is a wonderful experience visiting Niagara Falls, and I would love to go back.